Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold paired some gains on Friday after briefly rallying above the $4,000 an ounce milestone for a second time last week, as US President Donald Trump's warning of possible fresh tariffs on China accelerated a flight to safe haven assets. The dollar dropped on Friday after US President Donald Trump threatened to hike tariffs against China, reigniting concerns over how the trade war will impact the US economy. Trump also said he may cancel a planned meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping. US President Donald Trump said he was increasing tariffs on Chinese exports to the US to 100% and imposing export controls on any and all critical software in a reprisal to recently announced export limits by China on rare earth minerals critical to tech and other manufacturing.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.